Hi guys, if the shutdown button is not working in your Windows 11 computer, then let's see how to fix it. So here is the first method. For that, simply go to the search and type control panel. Here it is. Simply open it. Now here, click on hardware and sound and then click on power options. Now here, you will see this option. Choose what the power buttons do. Simply click on it. And now here, simply click on this link, change settings that are currently unavailable. Simply click on it. Now under the power and sleep button settings section here, simply go to this option. When I press the power button, simply click on it. And here make sure the shutdown option is selected. You can see when I press the power button, option is shutdown. And now under the shutdown settings, you will see this option, turn on fast startup. You have to simply disable this option. So simply uncheck this option and then click on save changes. Now simply close it. After saving the changes, simply click on the start button and then go to power option here and simply restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the shutdown button will start working on your Windows 11 computer. Let's see the next method. If the shutdown button is not working in your Windows 11 computer, then you can use the keyboard shortcut keys to shut down your system. For that, simply press the Alt plus F4 keys together on your keyboard and the shutdown Windows dialog box will appear. Here you have to make sure the shutdown option is selected and then click on OK and your system will shut down. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix if the shutdown button is not working on Windows 11 computer. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.